Welcome to this edition of Common Sense, Civics, and Citizenship. In the aftermath of the Charlottesville, Virginia race-based clashes that ended up with 3 deaths, President Trump said that these racist groups are repugnant to everything that we hold dear as Americans. So I got to thinking, what do we hold dear as Americans? Number one, I think we hold our independence dear, and we hold our Declaration of Independence dearly because of its self-evident truths. Well, what self-evident truths? That all men are created equal in the eyes of God and in the laws of our government. Also, that our Creator has endowed us with certain unalienable rights. Well, what unalienable means is these are rights that can't be taken away. If they're given by God, no one can take them from us. These rights are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And the pursuit of happiness includes our property, the stuff that we own. We also hold dear to the idea that government's job, according to the Declaration of Independence, is to secure these rights to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. That's their job. They have one job. Life, liberty, the pursuit of happiness. They need to protect those rights. Our U.S. Constitution starts with, "We the people." We hold dear to that fact in this country that we run the government, and the government is responsible and accountable to us. We hire and fire our employees, which would be our elected officials. When we vote for them, we hire them, and when we don't vote for them and they lose their position, then they are, quote unquote, fired, just for the sake of conversation here. You know what else we hold dear? We hold our freedom dear. We send our sons and daughters as they sign up to fight in the cause of freedom for our country. Just think about each time the national anthem is sung, like at a sports game. When we get to the part that says, "O'er the land of the free and the home of the brave," what is the spontaneous reaction of freedom-loving Americans everywhere? A lot of whistling and hooping and hollering. We are proud of the fact that we are the land of the free and the home of the brave. Freedom, independence, equality, unalienable rights like life, liberty, the pursuit of happiness, our property. For as long as we hold these things dearly and treasure them, we will keep them. And holding them dear is just common sense, civics, and citizenship.